In fact, 1 in 14 infected may die, another 20% suffer permanent disabilities, including organ damage and limb amputations. New vaccination recommendations have recently been approved for teens and college students who are at an increased risk for contracting this disease. Immunization and good hygiene may help prevent most cases in teens and young adults. Talk to your child's doctor about immunization or visit www.nmaus.org. A public service message brought to you by PTA and the National Meningitis Association.